my chicken. Ini-marinate ko lang itong chicken. And lalagyan ko siya na, i-dip ko siya sa breadcrumbs. Ito ay thigh parts siya, guys. Pinadebone ko yung thigh parts. Ayan. And ganyan yung kanyang kinalabasan. Wala nang buto yung thigh parts. Mas mabilis kasi siyang lutuin kapag wala nang buto yung ipiprito. And ayan siya. Charger of what?
Of my tablet.
Why?
Because
bumaba lahat. Ordered pizza from Pizza Hut. Two large pizzas. Pizza Hut, yung large yung in-order ko, guys. Dalawa. Isa and then dalawa.
mahal yung mga pizza, diba?
Ito yung bacon and ham. Same lang yata. Pero yung isa kasi is yan, anyan cheese crust. Ito yata yung cheese crust, guys. Tignan niyo. Oh, diba may cheese yung crust niya. Yummers! Kain tayo. Ito nga yun. Yung may cheese sa crust. Ayan. And then yung isa is wala. Walang cheese yung kanyang crust. Wow! That's so cheesy.
Kailangan pa ng plato eh.
Wow, it's so cheesy. So cheesy. Kain. Para saan yan? Jillian? Kahit may asma ka, naka-absent, kailangan gawin mo pa rin yan? Assignment mo? Tapos ang school year, lagi ka namang nag-a-absent. Asthmatic, ang kitter. Ngayon ka pa talaga tinablan ulit ng asma mo kung kailan ka lumaki na. Eda, late ka nagising? Sarap ng tulog ah. What time is your school today?
11.
Look at this pizza, guys. With cheese. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Wow. It's so mahaba. Okay. Wow! Parang yung mami pa yung na-excite ah. Nice.